Hey guys, welcome to question MM395 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide, the very last multiple choice question in probability, so if you've made it this far, congratulations. So, we've got 300 people and they're surveyed about their sleeping habits. 69% of them said that they sleep for at least 7 hours per night. A 98% confidence interval for the proportion of the population who sleep for at least 7 hours per night is... Alright, so we know that we're going to have to deal with a confidence interval, alright? So the first thing is to recognize that our confidence interval, actually I'll write it up here because I'm not going to have enough space. Our confidence interval is given by p hat minus z, p hat 1 minus p over n, p hat plus z, p hat 1 minus p over n. Awesome. Now, we have to figure out a few things. So we have to figure out our p hat, which we actually do know. We know that that's our 69%. We need to know our n, which we do. That's our 300. But we don't know what our z value is. Okay, so our z value is normally given by our confidence level, right? So a 95% confidence interval would have a z value of 1.96. Okay, but we don't have a 95% confidence interval. We've got a 98% confidence interval. So what we need to do is actually figure out our z score. The way that we do that is like this. So we want to draw a normal distribution graph on a standard normal distribution curve. Okay, so a mean of 0, and we know that this is our z value, this is our negative z value, and in between here is the area of our confidence interval. What I mean by that is at a 95% confidence interval, the area between negative 1.96 and 1.96 is 0.95 or 95%. In this case, the area between negative z and z is going to be 98% or 0.98, right? So if from here to here is 0.98 and it's symmetrical about the mean, which it is, everything above here is 0.01, everything below here is 0.01, right? Because this plus this plus this equals 1. That's our total probability, our law of total probability. So in order to find out what this z value is, we need to use our inverse normal, right? So we know our probability of it being less than z, so we can say that the probability that it's less than z is equal to 0.98 plus 0.01, so 0.99, right? Now, we can use our inverse normal to find our z value, right? Because inverse normal requires three things. Area, which in this case is 0.99 because it's to the left of z, 0.99. It requires a mean, which in this case is 0, and a standard deviation, which is 1 in this case. So we always take our standard 0 and 1 when we're doing this and finding our z value. Now, this pops out a z value of 2.33. So that's our z value. So this z value here is 2.33. Awesome. So let's get rid of this. If you need to have a look at this and just take it in, pause the video and take it down because I'm about to rub it out. Now, from here, we can just sub in our values. So we know that p hat is 0.69, that's our 69%, minus our z value, which we just found to be 2.33, times square root of p, which again is 0.69, so out of 1.069, 1 minus 0.69 rather, n is 300, and our upper bound is again going to be 0.69 plus 2.33, 0.69, 1 takes 0.69 over 300. Awesome. So in that case, when we solve all of this in our CAS, what we're actually going to get is an interval of 0.63 to 0.75, which means that our interval is going to be 63% to 75%, which is B. So guys, our answer for MM395 is B. Again, if you've made it this far, congratulations on completing the multiple choice section of probability. Let's move on to the short answer section. So I'll see you in there.